it's Sydney and Lindsay here from Tea for the Soul, and we're super excited today because we are filming a video on traveling looks. Super fun. We're going to show you 3 different types of travel looks, and we hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so my outfit for travel is really good for a road trip or an airplane. You know, in the airplane, it gets really cold, so you're definitely going to be good with this extra layer, and if you get warmer, you can take it off. Same thing with the car. This is more of an outfit like you had to, already be ready. You're meeting that person for lunch, you're going to a meeting. You look really nice, but you're very comfortable. So I think this is a really perfect travel outfit. Just a nice pair of denim jeans, some comfortable booties, this fun sweater, and this leather jacket. Like I said, you're gonna be super comfortable. You're gonna look ready to go.
So much traveling happens this time of year, and honestly, it can take a while. So I always like to have a nice, cozy cardigan, and honestly, sometimes I'll take it off and use it like as a blanket. Who doesn't do that? Loving jeggings while traveling. They're so comfy. It's almost like wearing pajama pants, but you look better. And then, of course, some great like little wedges. Keeps me looking cute, but I'm still nice and comfy.
Now, this look is for all you people who want to be just comfortable. You're flying for the holidays to see your family, and like I said earlier, airplanes get cold, so you're gonna be really warm, you're gonna be really comfortable, and you're also gonna be super stylish, so this is a great one. Who doesn't love a fuzzy sweater and some black leggings? Absolutely love this one. Hope you guys like this look. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and we gave you some great travel outfit ideas. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. See ya!